I'm Rachel Atallah, Anthony Atallah's wife, the owner of Knockout Fitness. We're making an easy, under $20 beef stew for you today in the Instant Pot. So I started with 2 pounds of beef stew meat. It's already cubed. I get it at BJ's. It's already cubed and everything. You're going to brown it in about a teaspoon of avocado oil or whatever oil you want to use. 2 to 3 minutes each side, just till it's browned. Then you're going to add 2 cups of chopped carrots and 2 cups of chopped celery. And what else was there? 1 white onion and 2 cloves of garlic, all to the pan. Stir it up and then just cook it for like 5-ish minutes on a medium heat. You're going to brown it at a higher heat and then turn it down. Once it's all cooked for 5 minutes, you literally just turn the stove off, dump everything into your Instant Pot. So, do that now. Hopefully don't spill anything. There we go. Okay, once it's in your Instant Pot, you're gonna put in 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, which I need a spoon for. The whole thing. You're gonna add 2 cups of chicken broth. So that probably wasn't even a cup. I'm eyeballing this. You can measure it perfectly if you want. So about 2 cups of that. And then here I have 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of dried Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and that's it. Add it to the Instant Pot. Stir it around a little bit. You can also add salt and pepper to taste, or you can add it after you cook the whole thing. It doesn't really make a difference. Stir it up till it's all mixed together. The vegetables are going to let out some juices, so it's going to be a little more liquidy after you cook it. So everything's in there. You're going to close your Instant Pot. Make sure it's sealed. You're going to hit pressure cook, and you're going to cook it for 40 minutes, and then you're done. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you can cook it in a crock pot. So you would just brown the meat again, put the vegetables in, stir them, and then you would add everything to your crock pot and cook it for like 4 to 6 hours on low. And then you should be good. Or you could cook it all day on low if you want. It's not going to make a difference. And that's it.